I think it's interesting that if you've already got a dish TV, all you need is this. It's a small hard drive, it's 1 terabyte, and usually if you go and buy a 1 terabyte hard drive, well, it would be a little bit more costly than the entire product that they're giving out here. Then they've added the 50 movies. Okay, so till now it's all been going good. You're getting something simple, it's a hard drive, it's the box that you're getting, it's got 1 terabyte on it, and it comes with 50 movies. That's the add-on, right? Then you come down to what do you do with this entire thing? I think our greatest problem, now we'll do a show of hands out here. They've already gone through all the pain points of how watching a movie today is actually a very difficult exercise. You either have to record it, therefore you have to schedule it, or you have to know when those channels are coming, therefore you have to again know the schedule, and you have to sit down and watch the movie at their pace, the channel that's actually showing it, not at your pace. What's the second option? You could stream it, you could do a pay-per-view, and you know how in India pay-per-view is, you get access to the channel, but you don't get access to your timing, it's dictated by them. So lots of problems. I think in India, we found the solution, right? Most of us, including in the video, said that we actually download the movie. All of us do it. And we do it because that's the only way we can get our fix. Like they said, we love movies in every which way. We've got to get them. But we don't have the infrastructure in this country to really do it. I mean, where will we get internet speeds of almost 20 Mbps or so to get down to streaming movies and have the experience that we want? Thus, we needed an India solution. And that's why I'm saying innovation today must be about getting a pain point that is relevant to our country, our lives, and this, I think, really addresses it. So why am I saying that? So you've got a small little box, it's a plug-in, you've got your 50 movies, and then pretty much you're ready. The categorization is interesting. The way they put it together is very simple. It works like typically what we've had from the time that we may have, some of you may have actually used a VHS. It's very simple. There's a play button, there's a pause button, you can slow motion it, you can actually run through the movie very, very quickly with a fast forward. All of that is good. You watch it at your pace. But I think the most interesting thing that I saw was you don't need an internet connection at all, because they're using the technology which very few of us are actually aware, that they can stream things down when the set-top box is on standby. It's slow, it'll come to you, which is why it's very interesting. One movie every 2 days. You already know the movies that are there and are about to expire and will go away 7 to 8 days before. But it's even more interesting to know the movies that are about to come. You've got your normal SD movies and you also have HD. So that's another interesting thing for all of us that have invested into the whole HD ecosystem of televisions. They're also taking care of you out there. And the interface, like I said, is very interesting. That's, of course, the first part of it. They promise you 50, but I actually did get 60. So one of the rare times when a company under-promises. So that's a good, interesting way. You could leave a movie wherever it was, come back and resume from exactly where you were. This is, of course, the kind of movies, again, that you have. This is where I said is a game changer. These are your next changes. These are the movies that are going to be coming in the next few days, in that order. And this really is something very interesting. You know the ones you have, 50 or 60, you know the ones that will expire, but you also know the ones that are about to come up. This, I think, is very interesting. And remember, once again, simple hard drive plugged in, very simple. Movies already on it. You need no internet. And then the interface and the way they've actually put this whole software together. And I think this is interesting. I think it's a true innovation. I think it's the kind of innovation that we need in a country with certain problems and pain points. And I completely agree. I think this is going to change a lot of things.